Hello everyone, today we will compare Generalscan's R5000BT-5MQ with its upgraded version, R5522. This is R5000BT-5MQ, and this is the upgraded design, R5522. We'll compare the two from the following aspects. First, scanning performance. We can tell that both scanners use Zebra's high-performance scanning engine SE4750 from the same laser scanning lines through the scan windows. This engine, SE4750, can scan standard UPC barcodes at nearly 1 meter away. Second, the shell. Our R5522 has a more robust shell than that of our R5000BT-5MQ, because it can withstand 10,000 tumbles and still work properly. Our R5522 has a larger trigger button than our R5000BT-5MQ. Its lifetime has been increased by 200%, and it feels more comfortable. The ring trigger of our R5000BT-5MQ is fixed at the bottom of the shell, rotating the trigger to switch left and right hand wearing, and it cannot be replaced. The scanner must be returned to the factory for repair once the trigger is damaged, which is very inconvenient. However, the trigger of our R5522 is designed to be replaceable. There are 3 ways to wear and use it. You can install the ring trigger and wear on your finger, or install the thumb button and fasten it to the lanyard, then wear it on the belt around the waist and use it with the retractor. It can be worn on the back of the hand when you install it on the rug glove. These 3 wearing manners make our R5522 applicable to different application scenarios and more flexible and convenient to use. What's more, these replaceable wearing parts ensure the hygiene safety of each worker. The charging interface of our R5522 has been upgraded to Type-C. It is more durable, and it can charge faster compared with a micro USB of our R5000BT-5MQ. Due to the built-in battery of our R5000BT-5MQ, it must be charged once the battery is dead. Thus, it is not suitable for high scanning intensity work scenarios, while the R5522 scanner has a replaceable extended battery. It can support long shifts by swapping batteries without charging the scanner. We provide the dual-slot charger, which allows workers to charge 2 batteries at a time. This is the comparison chart of our R5000BT-5MQ and our R5522. Thanks for watching.
Generalscan, scan mobile world, decode creative future.